Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So students, please be prepared with your pen and notebooks. Students, we are doing perfect tenses today. Okay, so we are going to discuss perfect tense today. It means which tense is this? It is present continuous tense. Okay, all right, we did this tense yesterday. Okay, so let's do today's work. Today we have to do present perfect tense. Okay, let's talk about the structure of it. Subject plus has have plus third form of the verb. Okay, plus object. ठीक है. Example will be she has written an essay. Okay, has written. Has is used when singular noun is there and have is used with I or any plural noun. Okay. So let's talk about the uses of this tense. A recently completed action when the time is not given. For example, he has come here this morning. In this case, past indefinite or simple past cannot be used. Okay? Then a past experience. I have visited the Taj. ठीक है, किसी जगह पे आप पहले विजिट कर चुके हो एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू टॉक अबाउट दैट पर्टिकुलर प्लेस तो हम वहाँ पे कौन सा टेंस यूज़ करेंगे? प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. ओके. An action that includes already, so far, as yet, recently, just now, etc. कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स, पर्टिकुलर वर्ड्स हम जब यूज़ करते हैं, in that case we use present perfect tense. Okay. Then it's revision time. Please note down these sentences in your notebook and try to fill with correct answers. Okay. Like I blank not see my cousin since Christmas. So क्या आएगा यहाँ पे? I के साथ will use have. Okay, we have not see. Okay, so third form we have to use. Third form of see is seen. We have not, I have not seen my cousin since Christmas. Okay, rest of the sentences you have to do by yourself. Okay. Next we have past perfect tense. It is very simple. As we know, the past form of has or have is had. तो स्ट्रक्चर कैसे बनेगा इसका? सब्जेक्ट रहेगा, हैज़ हैव नहीं होगा, इसकी जगह पे वी हैव टू यूज हैड हियर. ओके. देन पास्ट पार्टिसिपल. Past participle means third form of the verb. Okay. Then object. So we use past perfect tense to express the action completed before a certain point of time in the past. Like birds had gone to the nest before the sunset. Okay. Or to express the former of two actions in the past. अब पास्ट में दो एक्शंस हुए हैं. ठीक है, दो एक्शंस हुए हैं. अब इन दोनों एक्शंस में से कौन सा एक्शन पहले हुआ, कौन सा एक्शन बाद में हुआ, इट इंडिकेट्स कि हमें कौन सा टेंस यूज़ करना है. लाइक द कल्प्रिट हैड रन अवे. ठीक है, जिसने क्राइम किया वो भाग गया पुलिस के आने से पहले, है ना. तो जिसने क्राइम किया वो पहले भागा और पुलिस बाद में आई. सो इन दैट केस वी हैव टू यूज़ हैड हियर. और जो एक्शन बाद में हुआ उस केस में वी हैव टू यूज सिंपल पास्ट टेंस। ठीक है, तो जो एक्शन फॉर्मर है, जो एक्शन पहले हुआ है, उस एक्शन के लिए वी नीड टू यूज पास्ट परफेक्ट, और जो बाद में हुआ है पास्ट परफेक्ट, सॉरी पास्ट indefinite. Okay, so here we have a paragraph. Read this paragraph. The underlined or highlighted words are indication of past perfect tense. Had been, had finished, they had never been. Okay, then we have future perfect tense. Structure will be subject, will, shall, have plus past participle, that is third form of the verb, and object. Okay, now let's talk about the examples of it. We will have passed exam by the end of this year. Okay, and we have to negative here, so we have to make negative by using not in between will and have. He will not have passed the exam by the end of this year. Future perfect tense is used to express an action to be completed by a certain time in future. John will have finished his project by end of this month. ठीक है, इस महीने के एंड तक जॉन अपना जो प्रोजेक्ट है वो पूरा कर चुका होगा. ठीक है, इन दिस पैराग्राफ द हाईलाइटेड वर्ड्स आर indication of future perfect tense. Okay, so here you have your homework. Please note down these sentences in your notebook and try to fill with the correct answers. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.